for CAT 2025. Whether you are a college student or a working professional stuck in a 9 to 5 job or a 9 to 9 job, or doing a full-time dedicated prep, your strategy and your routine can decide whether you will crack CAT and whether you land up with a 95 plus percentile or not. Your strategy and your routine will decide whether you would be sitting in an IIM classroom next year, same time. I'll be here giving you a winning game plan whether you fall in scenario A, B or C. Are you ready? Hi, I'm Apurva, ex-McKinsey, now at Google. I was exactly in the same shoes as yours, figuring out the exams, figuring out the strategies, preparing for the worst and aiming for the best, and eventually ending up in an IIM classroom. So in this video, I'm going to share a game plan, a proper routine, whether you fall in scenario A, which is a college student, scenario B, which is a working professional, or scenario C, a full-time aspirant. So let's start with part 1, the college hustler. College life actually sounds free, but in between projects, lectures, fest practice, or maybe random plans, time actually slips away. So here is your strategy. Your strategy should be pockets of time. What does that mean? By pockets of time, I mean you need to steal minutes out between all of these things that are running in the mosaic of your life. So essentially, a strategy can go around starting your mornings 1 or 1.5 hours dedicated to quant practice. It is said that when you get up, your brain is fresh, so treat it like a brain workout, best suited for doing math. And as I've already mentioned in my previous video, prioritize like a pro. So the most important thing to start off would be arithmetic and algebra. And if you still have time left, focus on the basics of geometry. Now, the second part. The second part is about RC passages. But how do you find time for that? In between classes, lunch breaks, just carry some random passages with you. I'd be doing a deep dive video on what are the best sources to read. But remember, a key strategy for the entire VARC section is reading. The only mantra here is reading. Remember, if you are reading, you are doing VARC. So this snackable, bite-sized learning should keep happening the entire day. Carry some 4 or 5 random passages with you and just keep reading. If you are reading, you are doing VARC ultimately. The third part, the third section, again, which is very important, should be DILR. So after all your classes have been wrapped up and you have dedicated time in the evening to sit with your DILR sets. Remember, even if you solve 1 or 2 sets in a proper timed manner, it is much better than solving 10 sets half-heartedly. So the key mantra here is steal the moments, steal the time and prioritize like a pro, practice relentlessly, and needless to say, perfect it through the mocks. But steal those moments. That is the most important part for you, the college hustlers. Part 2, the corporate warrior. You fight Excel sheets by the day and CAT prep by the night. Yes, I've been there, I know how it feels. Essentially, if you leave study for the evening, you'll be too tired by then. So, here your key mantra would be protect your mornings. Your routine could look something like this, that you can start off your mornings before office and carve out some time for either DILR or quant when your mind is completely fresh. Then, for commute or during lunch breaks, save that time for RC passages. Remember, your reading speed will really thank you later. And last but not the least, after office hours, reserve some time for sectional tests or light analysis or watching some conceptual videos. I understand that you would not have that amount of energy to have some heavy lifting done, but remember, it is important to stay consistent. Intensity is not that important, but consistency is. So all you corporate warriors, remember, guard your mornings like a treasure. Part 3, the full-time gladiators. If you've gone all in for CAT, you have all the time, but your biggest risk is distraction. And all you need is discipline. So make sure to have a proper routine in place. Make sure to treat your CAT prep just like a job, just like a proper 9 to 5 job. Think of it like having 9 to 11 a.m. reserved for your quant practice. Maybe you can take breaks in between, but have those 2 hours of dedicated time for learning and practicing quant. In the afternoon, you can have some time, at least 2 hours, reserved for DILR, because this is when you are actually in the zone of the puzzle grind. Reason, afternoons are the time when you feel drowsy after lunch, so it's important that if you actually train your mind to be in the puzzle grind, you will forget about taking those quick afternoon naps. Third is your evening. Now for evenings, it is important that you actually practice a lot, and this time in these slots, the evening slots, you should reserve your capacity for sectional tests or mock tests. If you can take mock tests, even greater, but make sure whatever you practice, whatever sectional test you give, you analyze it, because analysis is the key. Analysis is something that will actually take you forward in the game, and with actual proper analysis of each sectional and each mock, you can see visible improvements in your percentile. You would see your percentile climb day by day if you do a proper analysis of each mock and each sectional. And you being full-time gladiators, you have the time. It's important to be disciplined enough to do so that. Your key mantra is train it like it's a job, but harder, and work smarter. Coming to the most crucial days of your week, which are Saturdays and Sundays, the weekends. They are relentless, yet they are relaxed. The most important part about these weekends is essentially think of it like weekends are the joker in your deck of cards. If you play it right, it can actually change the game, right? These are also those revision pit stops. These can be your game changers in a daily schedule of Monday to Sunday or Monday to Friday, whatever you call it, because I would want to reserve Saturday, Sunday as a separate bucket in your daily schedule. Whether you are a working professional or a college student or a full-time gladiator, as I call it, it is extremely important to utilize your weekends with discipline. What do you do on weekends then? On weekends, it is important to take one mock every day. That is, one mock on Saturday and one on Sunday. And this followed by a proper, full-fledged analysis. Reason, weekends are the time when you have uninterrupted access to your own time and schedule. There are no hiccups in between. So make sure that you utilize these weekends, you leverage these weekends, park some time for the secret weapon in your CAT prep journey, which is mock tests, followed by the analysis, which is the real goal. So remember, CAT is not about who studies the longest, but it is about who studies the smartest and is the most consistent aspirant. Remember, the key mantras for you, whether you are a college student, is steal your moments, steal your time. If you are a working professional, guard, preserve your mornings. And if you are a full-time gladiator, build these mantras can add color to the black and white sketch that you've painted or are trying to paint. So I wish you all the very best in sketching your daily routine. And remember, these schedules or routines are for illustration purposes only. Your routine might differ a lot. Suppose you are a college student and maybe quant is not your weaker section, maybe DILR is, and you would want to start your day with that. Then why not? Make sure to customize and tailor the routine that suits your needs, that suits your performance, that suits your maturity level in the CAT journey. If you want me to share my thoughts over your customized daily plan, please feel free to reach out to me over LinkedIn or Instagram. I will be sharing my handles in the caption. And make sure to hit subscribe, because if you stick with me on this journey, I can be the ace in your deck of cards. All the very best, and may God paint the canvas of your life with the most beautiful colors.